Welcome to our next Wandering Walks of Wonder adventure. Today we're headed to the Old Statehouse Museum in Little Rock, Arkansas. This building that we're in is the oldest standing state capitol building west of the Mississippi. Inside this museum, we'll see exhibits on Arkansas's history, including the Civil War, the Civil Rights Movement, and the state's natural resources. This building was constructed in 1833 and served as the Arkansas state capitol until 1885. It was then used as a museum until 1911 when it was renovated and reopened as the Arkansas War Memorial. In 1961, it was again restored and converted into a museum.
Many were lawyers, others were everything from a war hero to a
There are
Southern
several
baptist
exhibits that
minister.
we'll explore
It
here
was
on
thanks
today's
to Anchor
tour. The
Handle
first is
Local
about the
News
governors of
the
Arkansas.
exhibit
In
continues in campaign
1951, the
time.
Old Statehouse
Items to
became a
the exhibit
museum
here
once again and
today.
began
You
collecting
might
artifacts
already
belonging
know.
to Arkansas governors a
Handle
year
Around
later with the
discovered rich
acquisition of
history
a
on
portrait
governors
of
just a
Governor
few
Jeff
hours ago.
Davis. Since then, this collection has grown to include more than 2,000 items ranging from Governor Winthrop Rockefeller's iconic WR campaign pins, the tie worn by Governor Mike Beebe on his inauguration day, to Governor Asa Hutchinson's running shoes, which he always carried with him when he traveled to be ready for a pickup game. This gallery features artifacts and images from different governors intermingled in sections that highlight different points along the governor's journey, including such things as their origins, campaigns, inaugurations, terms in office, and the many accomplishments that have been done by the governors of Arkansas.
Hi, welcome to the Old Statehouse Museum. It is Governor's Arkansas Museum. I'm Governor Nestled. 40 inches of museum, the Old Statehouse is a living piece of history. Within these walls are glimpses of Grandeur, Arkansas, as well as more recent history. This was Arkansas's first steakhouse. Governor's Arkansas.
This next exhibit explores the First Ladies of Arkansas. This exhibit takes a look at the lives and accomplishments of governors' wives throughout Arkansas's history and contains the largest exhibit of First Ladies' gowns outside the Smithsonian. Some of the gowns you'll see were worn by Susan Hutchinson, Ginger Beebe, Barbara Pryor, Hillary Clinton, Jeanette Rockefeller, Alta Faubus, Anne Bro, Betty Bumpers, Janet Huckabee, and many more. In 1885, the north facade of the State House was extended 70 feet towards the Arkansas River to create a larger house chamber. The original House chamber then served as the Senate chamber until 1911, when state government moved into the current state capitol building. During the 1885 renovation, efforts were made to modernize interior spaces along Victorian lines. When the State House became a museum in the early 1950s, every effort was made to restore it to its 1885 Victorian appearance. As a result, there were no antebellum spaces in the interior for more than 100 years. When the site underwent restoration in the late 1990s, the original House of Representatives chambers that we see here was returned to its likely appearance during the 1840s. This room contains wooden desks, chairs, and spittoons. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of the Old Statehouse Museum in Little Rock, Arkansas. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you on our next Wandering Walks of Wonder. Take care now. Bye bye.